Welcome to Concept Craft. We are presenting step-by-step videos training to crack your certification exam, so you can gain the confidence to take on any accounting challenge. Now let's begin our today's lesson.
Recording deposit transactions. Learning outcomes. In this lesson, we'll cover recording deposit transactions in QuickBooks Online. Topics: understanding deposit transactions, recording a deposit transaction, Pro Advisor Challenge, the need for categorizing deposits. Clients sometimes receive deposits that aren't related to customer transactions. Some examples are refunds, cash contributions from owners, or proceeds from loans. Adding these as income deposits would lead to confusion and inaccuracies with future tax payments. How can you and QuickBooks Online help? Clients can easily categorize deposits, even negative deposits, in QuickBooks Online. This way, they can separate deposits like refunds or proceeds from loans so that they're not confused with sales income, and taxable and non-taxable income are kept separate. Understanding deposit transactions. Simply put, deposit transactions are used for any money coming into the business that isn't subject to sales tax or income tax and doesn't have to be matched to a sales receipt or invoice in QuickBooks Online. However, clients still need to record and categorize these transactions to the appropriate account on the chart of accounts. When would a client use deposit transactions? Here are some cases when clients would use deposit transactions. The client receives funds from loan proceeds or contributions of cash from owners. The client receives a refund from a vendor and wants to record it directly against the expense account or to a refunds received income account. The client doesn't record income using sales transactions, invoices, or sales receipts, and wants to record deposits directly to income accounts. The client receives a refund from a tax agency and needs to record it to reduce the tax liability or expense account. An employee reimburses the client's company, and the client needs to record the reimbursement against the employee loan receivable account. Clients can also use the deposit transaction workflow with negative deposits. This could be for a bounced check or when a customer's refund amount exceeds the amount they're depositing. Pro Advisor Tip: clients can add multiple funds to the same deposit. For example, they might include both customer payments and other funds in a single deposit. Recording a deposit transaction. Let's see how to record a deposit transaction for a bank loan. Select Plus New, then select Bank Deposit. Specify the account and set the date. Select the Add Funds to Deposit grid. In the Received From column, enter where the payment is from. In our case, it's from a bank. Next, select the right account in the Account column. In our case, it's SBA Loan Payable. This is a liability account, so QuickBooks Online won't classify it as income. Add the description if necessary. Then enter the payment method, the payment's reference number, and the amount. Finally, select Save and Close. Summing up. Learning outcomes. Well done. In this lesson, we covered recording deposit transactions in QuickBooks Online. Knowledge recap. Your client should use deposit transactions to keep non-sales related payments and expenses separate from their usual income and expenses. Next steps. In the next lesson, we'll look at using journal entries in QuickBooks Online.